Certified Franklins, one of my favorite categories when it comes to rarity and value and affordability. And tonight we have two very special full bell lines. Wow. Tonight we have two Denver issues, and I picked these two Denver issues for one thing. Over the years, we have changed in how we view and collect coins. It used to be the guidebooks, the red books, the black books, the blue books, just the guidebooks gave us mintage figures. And we would look at that and say, okay, lots or a little, where do I want to be? And those of us that traveled on the circuit, going to shows, we would find out that, well, that mintage figure doesn't make any sense because I can't find that coin. It says it's the largest mintage. I should be able to find that coin. Well, in the late 1980s, after the $50 an ounce silver rush, we have this move to NGC, PCGS, ANAX, independent third-party certification. And that's where the market's kind of shifted for high-end quality coins. Now we have that to use as a guide as well. When you look at both of these, at mintage figure and at guide, which is how few of them are known to exist, it is outright scary today. And the best part about this little deal is they're all FBLs, right there as you can see on the graphic.
So full bell lines, that's what the FBL stands for. What that means is there are three distinct lines at the bottom of the bell, and then there's a little space, and then another three distinct lines. Those lines have to go left to right all the way across the bell in order for the grading services to designate them as FBLs. Now, FBLs are the first coins off the die, so when a die is fresh and they're producing the coins, they have that detail. As the die is used, it wears a little bit, and that's the spot where it gets worn, I guess, quicker. So the FBLs are considered the first strikes off the press, and that graphic that you just saw will come with this, either one of your purchases on the 54D or the 58D. But regardless, in 1954 out of Denver, they made over 25 million coins. But within 25.4 million coins, 54 Denver FBL 64 or higher, there are only 4,122 coins known to exist. 58 Denver, they made just about 24 million coins, just shy of 24 million coins. 4,000 as of today, exactly. We were laughing, Steve and I. Usually it was we've never really found an exact population. We usually round, usually on the better side. 4,000 pieces.
But these are, and again, the reason why we chose them tonight to be paired together is it's like, wow, rarity.
Right.
And high grade certified. And again, high grade certified, we use one theory, and you can't beat the theory. It's a solid theory, which is if I can be in the 1% club of every coin I collect for quality, which means there's 99% of the coins in this group lesser quality than the one I own, where do I have to be? What grade is going to be that cutoff? And in the Franklin series, 4 is the cutoff. When you get to 4, you're under 1% are known to exist, but many of them, like this one, it's way less than that. You're looking at these tonight at 0.01%. So we're talking about it's in the real appropriate place to be, the rarity club. But what are the odds that two of these, both Denver, both with high mintages, have population reports, i.e. how many coins are known to exist just like this in this holder? That's what that means. And they both are almost identical, 4,122, and the other one being 4,000 even in 64 or higher, 64 FBL or higher. So that means a 65, a 66, all added together is that number. These are special. And as referenced, affordable for rarity because our competition's at $58.50 and $67.95 on these two for coins and capsules. We are 5 grades higher with the FBL designation. So if you don't care about the FBL designation, I know a lot of collectors don't, it's never wrong to have, like in Silver Eagles, first strike or first day of issue, as long as it's the grade you want, right? We're buying the grade. Anything extra is a positive if I'm not paying through the nose for it. And here, you're getting it for free. Because the FBL numbers that we're selling tonight, certified, are more affordable. They're less money than the uncirculated coins and capsules are.
I'll tell you what, both of these are selling very quickly. A lot of people buying them in pairs. So thank you for your calls. Phones are very busy right now, so if you're joining us online or if you'd like to join us online, that website is avccoins.com. Both of these are available online for now. A lot of times when we bring out Franklins in 4 or FBL Franklins in 4, they sell out very quickly. So get on the website, get your calls in, grab these before they sell out. This graphic will come with your purchase. This is the Collector's Journal that explains the difference between a regular Franklin and an FBL Franklin. So you'll want to look at the reverse side at the bottom of the bell. Those 3 lines across the bottom connect all the way. There's a little space, and then there's another 3 lines above that. All 6 lines have to connect left to right in order for NGC, in this case, to designate them FBL on the label. $49.95 each. That is the low price tonight. Again, competition wants $58.50 and $67.95 for mid-state 60s, uncirculated coins and capsules. We're 5 grades higher, plus the FBL designation, slabbed by NGC.
It does, well, again, there's every once in a while the opportunity to have your cake and eat it too. And when it comes to Franklins, we're all about the 64 and 64 FBL and higher scenario because of how rare. If a silver eagle today, now remember, these are coins that are almost 3/4 of a century old. They're over half a century by far, right? If we had a silver eagle today with a mintage and high grade of only with a population, only 4,000 or 4,122, where would we be? I mean, the most limited silver eagle on the planet was made in 2019. The S Enhanced Reverse Proof, a beautiful coin. I have one. I mean, it's just gorgeous. You got to have one, right? It's the most limited silver eagle ever. 30,000 of them were struck. Now, those were struck today with today's techniques, which means the quality is outstanding, but certified. 9,800 of them in 70 by NGC so far. It's still a $3,000 coin in 70, a $2,500 coin raw, which is an OGP. These together don't equal 9,000 coins. Yet, they're 3/4, or again, over half a century old, working towards their 3/4 of a century honor, and that's just by year flow, and they're affordable. It's just finding the pockets where coins are actually affordable to collect rare coins. And these are both that.
1954 Denver, 1958 Denver. These are the NGC 64 FBL designation for just $49.95. We got to put a 1-minute clock up, please. Phones are still very busy. Thank you so much for that. One more reminder on the website, avccoins.com. Always an opportunity to shop online 24/7 or during this show or even when we're not online. Not on the air, I should say. Website's always online.
It feels like we're always online or always on the air. That's a good thing. We get to talk about coins and hunt out. And again, like our shows are much different than that of a lot of our competitors because we all have our thing. Ours is just, we want to touch as many different places as possible. We have 50+ items in this show, of which this is just one of the pockets. These are not 2 products. This is one presentation, one conversation. And it's sometimes silly when you think about it, but if you look at the Red Book as a guidebook and you say, wow, these are both high mintages, and you don't go to NGC's Chapter 2 and look at the populations, you miss out on how special a couple of these older coins really are. And then you look at the value. Again, tonight our competition in just capsules are at $58.50, $67.95. And we're bringing you 64 grade with the FBL designation for no extra fees, of which 4122 and 4,000 respectively are the known number after 35 years of doing this. At $49.95, this is one heck of a deal.